If you want to make money online, you need to think about the things that you can do that can solve people problems that you can make money from. So don't just think about making money online just only by just creating content, laughing. No, you need to create value. Look at the demand people are looking for. So this is what is going to help you to start accumulating or making that money from people, because you don't make money alone. You make money from people. You make money with the desire or the need of what people are looking for, and that is how you make money. If you are good in video editing, go into video editing. If you are good in laughing, go into laughing. So don't just sit down, just try to do something that is going to allow you to make money. So if you want to start investing your money online and making money in return by doing that, you need to start investing into the S&P 500. So S&P 500 is the 500 largest company in the US stock market. So what they do is that they invest your money that you give to them, and they are going to tell you that, okay, at the end of the year, you are going to get from like 1% to 10%, depending on the company that you are investing your money on. So start doing your investment today. Don't just sit down, or don't just work that your 9 to 5 or 5 to 9, and you are not investing that money. Invest some part of that money. It can be like from 10% to 25%. It just depends on how you plan your life, but focus on investing your money so that your money will be working for you, not you working for your money. So that is it. One of the simple ways that you can start using to make money online today is to start taking surveys. There's a lot of companies today, they are going to pay you to spend your time reviewing projects that they are working on. It can be like taking surveys, it can be video, it can be project, anything that they are working. They want people to give them feedback of what they think, and they are going to pay you money by doing this. There's a website that allows you to do this, which is respondent.io. Respondent.io link will be in the description, or just leave me a comment, respondent.io, and I will send a full video that is going to show you on how you can create your own account. Guys, if you want to start making money online, what you need to do is to think about the type of skills that you have that you can use to make money online. Do you know how to edit video? You can make money by editing videos. Are you a graphic designer? You can make money by doing graphic designer. Are you a survey taker or a survey researcher? You just give your honest opinion about a particular product or service, you are going to get paid. If you have ideas about marketing, people are going to pay you by doing this. If you have ideas about creating products and market them as a digital product, as videos, you can make money by doing this too. So think about the things that you know how to do, and people are going to pay you by doing this. There's people who can go and stand on the line for people that is coming late to an appointment, and those people are getting paid. So there's a lot of things that you can do. The skills that you have, you can make money from it. You just need to put it out there to start using that thing that you have in your head to start making money from that knowledge. So that knowledge that you have, convert it into money.